In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate difference between two dates in Excel. This is a simple and useful Excel task. If you want to find out how many days fall between one date and another, Excel can calculate that for you with a very basic formula. Once you understand how it works, you can use the same method for schedules, deadlines, project tracking, or any spreadsheet where dates matter. To begin, enter your start date in cell A2. For example, you can type 01/01/2026. Then move to cell B2 and enter your end date. For example, type 06/09/2026. Make sure both entries are real dates that Excel recognizes as dates, not plain text. That is important because the formula will only calculate correctly when Excel understands the values as date entries. After that, click into cell C2. This is where the result will appear. In cell C2, type equals B2 minus A2. The formula should read equals B2 space minus space A2. Then press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you press enter, Excel will subtract the start date from the end date and return the number of days between those two dates. In this example, the result will show the difference in days from January 1st, 2026 to June 9th, 2026. Excel handles dates as serial numbers behind the scenes, so subtracting one date from another gives you the day difference directly. If your result does not look right, check the formatting of your cells. Sometimes Excel may display a date instead of a number, depending on the cell format. If that happens, select cell C2 and change the format to general or number, so the total day count is shown clearly. If the dates are reversed, Excel will return a negative number, which simply means the second date comes before the first one. That is the full process. Enter the start date in A2. Enter the end date in B2, type equals B2 minus A2 in C2, and press enter to get the difference between the two dates. It is quick, accurate, and easy to reuse in other rows of your spreadsheet. That covers everything you need to know.